Hi, everyone. This is Genevieve Pinto and my colleague Geordan Hankinson from Renewal Funds. We are an impact venture capital fund based in Vancouver, and Jordan and I are the co-managing partners of our new Renewal 5 fund, and we're thrilled to share with you a little bit more about our work here at Renewal. Renewal Funds began in 2008. It launched out of a family office where our co-founders had been working on really a pioneering impact investment thesis where they believed they could deliver both financial returns and positive impact from early stage investments. And from the success of that idea, they wanted to open that opportunity up to more investors. We have just launched our fourth fund, Renewal 5, to continue that work. Our focus is now honed in to where we see the most exciting opportunities and the best results from the history of investing at Renewal, really looking to drive the accessibility and the adoption of climate solutions. Today, we're investing in technology, businesses, and consumer platforms across 5 main investment themes: energy transition, mobility, sustainable food and agriculture, zero waste, and natural resource conservation.
Our strategy investing across these 5 themes is to support startups that can grow quickly and capital efficiently to become large, profitable businesses. The types of companies that we're investing in at Renewal are businesses that can quickly eclipse 100 million in revenue within the fund life of 10 years in our venture funds, achieve significant EBITDA, and companies that will be around for the long term with scaled, consistent emissions, water, waste, and land use impacts. These are also companies that shouldn't need to raise hundreds of millions in venture capital dollars to get there. Capital efficiency is super important to us, and large ownership stakes in these businesses is also very important to us. To be successful on this strategy, we've focused on a few specific sectors where we've had very consistent success. One of these areas is companies that sell technology into governments and utilities to improve the sustainability of infrastructure. Some of our examples include real Canadian success stories, businesses like Miovision, which is helping cities optimize traffic flows and reduce emissions from vehicles. Another example is Opus One Solutions, a Toronto-based company that was acquired by GE 3 years ago. Opus One sold industry-leading software to help utilities optimize the electrical grid to reduce emissions. And finally, Swiftly, which was acquired by JMI in 2020, sells software that helps transit agencies improve the performance of their networks and get more people out of their cars and riding public transit. When you think about software companies selling technology into governments or utilities, you don't necessarily think speed, but all of these companies that we've invested in are businesses that are high growth, high scale companies that have helped our funds achieve very substantial impacts across our energy transition, mobility, and resource conservation themes.
Another area we've invested in is in consumer-facing platforms that help to reduce waste. And a great example of this is a local company called Fresh Prep, which is using its proprietary zero waste meal kit system to eliminate both food waste and single-use plastic waste from home food delivery.
What connects all of these companies across our 5 themes is that we're investing in subsectors that have tended to be avoided and underfunded by conventional VCs. Many of our most successful CEOs struggled to raise their first Series A check because their companies were deemed too far outside of the usual sweet spot for Bay Area VC syndicates. And this is really how Renewal finds great companies and achieves outsized impact returns. We've gone deep in a few areas where we're consistently referred to incredible entrepreneurs building amazing businesses.
We're really thrilled to have the opportunity to participate in the Impact Index. We believe it aligns with our long-held mission of creating more accessible opportunities for investors to be able to align their investments with their values. And we think it plays a critical role in the early stage investing ecosystem.